Bennie Master's Lecture, the 16th of the 16 Great Compassions, Proclaiming Nirvana. Dear virtuous friends, today we gather to explore the profound essence of the 16th of the 16 Great Compassions, Proclaiming Nirvana. This is the foundation of the Bodhisattva's mission to save sentient beings and the path to unsurpassed enlightenment. Let us listen with pure and reverent hearts. 1. The harm of the poison of arrogance, sentient beings' downfall. Since beginningless time, sentient beings have been afflicted by the poison of arrogance, immersed in the illusion of false dignity, mistakenly believing that disdain and indifference lead to transcendence. Yet, this arrogance causes them to lose their inherent benefits, resulting in loneliness, shallow knowledge, and powerlessness. When fear of arrogance reaches its peak, they abandon pride and dare not cling to false hopes. Seeing sentient beings struggle in endless suffering, Bodhisattvas give rise to profound compassion, vowing to deliver them. 2. Inherent spiritual awareness, proclaiming Nirvana. Sentient beings inherently possess spiritual wisdom and awareness, fully endowed with all qualities, requiring no external seeking. Their wishes can be fulfilled, free from all afflictions. Yet, they do not know the gate to Nirvana, unable to awaken or understand. Thus, Bodhisattvas cultivate great compassion, proclaiming Nirvana, guiding sentient beings to return to their original mind, free from suffering and filled with joy. 3. Wrong views as the root of evil, compassion as the foundation of virtue. Wrong views are the origin of all evil, giving rise to greed, anger, arrogance, and doubt, acting like a virus that drives the body and speech to create negative karma, leading to endless suffering. To end this suffering, one must not only refrain from killing but also protect life with compassion, not only abstain from stealing but also give generously to relieve others, not only avoid misconduct but also teach the path of righteous conduct. All virtuous deeds take compassion as their root. 4. The power of compassion, swift attainment of enlightenment. If one cultivates such compassion, they can destroy negative karma as vast as Mount Sumeru. Even a small virtuous deed yields results as great as Mount Sumeru, and soon they will attain Anattarasamayak Sambodhi, the unsurpassed enlightenment. Conclusion. Dear friends, proclaiming Nirvana is to awaken sentient beings' inherent spiritual nature with great compassion, guiding them to liberation from suffering and attainment of joy. May we all give rise to great compassion, eliminate the poison of arrogance, abandon wrong views, save sentient beings, and achieve supreme enlightenment. Thank you all.